How to fix Chase declining Cash App. Check your balance. First up, make sure your Chase account has enough funds to cover the transaction you're attempting. No cash, no deal. Correct info. Double, triple check your bank details in the Cash App. Even a tiny typo can mess things up. Get those numbers right. Card compatibility. Not all Chase cards play nice with Cash App. Hit up Chase support to confirm if your specific card is compatible. Security measures. Chase plays it safe. Sometimes they might flag Cash App transactions as suspicious. Reach out to Chase support to rule out security blocks, network woes, bad Wi-Fi day, server down. This could be causing your transaction hiccups. Try later or ping Cash App support. Verify your account. Cash App might need extra checks for transaction security. Complete the verification steps they ask for. Card restrictions. Chase could have set some restrictions on your card. Adjust settings through the Chase app or website to sort this out. Update Cash App. Make sure your Cash App is up to date. An outdated app can throw a wrench into your Chase Cash App relationship. Call support. If none of the fixes work, dial up both Chase and Cash App support for personalized help. So these fixes cover issues like insufficient funds, wrong details, card compatibility, security blocks, network problems, verification needs, card restrictions, outdated apps, and when nothing else seems to cut it. Just reach out to the support teams and they'll get you sorted. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.